Hey everyone, my name is Miss Evans, and this is our open house. I'm recording it for those of you who are not able to come live during the time that we're going to have it. So, yeah, just to introduce myself, my name is Miss Evans. This is my 12th year teaching. I have done both special education and general education. And when I did general education, I taught fourth grade. So, I'm super excited to be back teaching third and fourth grade again. I also do have experience teaching online prior to COVID. I worked for VIP Kid and taught students in China in the mornings before school. So that was super fun. And I'm just so excited, you guys, for this school year. I really think that the ULA experience is going to give kids a lot of consistency and hopefully a lot of fun too over the course of the year. So, if you're here in person, we would use this time now to introduce yourself, your child's name, and why you want ULA for your child. So, just make sure to send me a message just letting me know like what your priorities are so that we can make this experience match what you are looking for. Here's what to expect. So, this is going to be a rolling start for this program. This is new to everyone, and we really want to start slow to not overwhelm students, parents, or the new staff members as well. So, September 2nd and 3rd, what you can expect is just Chromebook Pickup. We probably will not do too much. You might get some messages and things like that, but no like school is going to start. So just get your Chromebook, get ready, make sure you have a place in your home where your child can do their work, and just kind of spend that time developing like what routines and procedures you want for the ULA experience. Then, after Labor Day, the week of September 8th through 11, we are going to start morning meetings. So every morning, your child will log on and they will be able to meet with me. We're going to do some activities together as a class just for that community building piece. And then they will be free to go on with their day and do their work for their day. Now, it is possible that some of you would choose to do your schoolwork at a different time. So you do not have to attend morning meetings, and you do not have to do your schoolwork immediately after. That is your choice about what time you do the schoolwork, but that is available to you if you want to start the day together as a class. Then after we get into the routine of meeting together every morning, the week of September 14th through 18th, we're going to start clubs and one-on-one check-ins. So just to make this fun, I am brainstorming some different clubs that your child could participate in. Some of the things I'm thinking about would be a Top Chef Junior club or a Harry Potter club, a Move It Monday where we do fitness or different activities together, possibly a game day where we spend like a half hour or so playing games together. So you're going to have an opportunity to kind of tell me what you are interested in, and we will build clubs around that just for an extra social connection piece during the school day. And then every week, if you're in third grade, or every other week, if you're in fourth grade, you will have an opportunity to meet one-on-one with me. And this is a time for me to give you any spelling tests or other things that we need to go through together. It's also a time just to see how you're doing. Like, what do you like about this? What do you not like? What is a struggle for you? What are your goals? Different things like that. Parents are going to be called learning coaches during this program, and they will also be kind of sitting in on those meetings just in case you have questions or you want to make sure that you're hearing the same thing your child is hearing from me. And once we get into the habit of meeting together each morning, going to clubs, which again are a choice, and doing your one-on-one check-ins, then we will probably begin classes. It is possible for us to start classes sooner, but this is kind of just what you can expect for. And then if we end up starting them sooner, you will be ready. The teachers do need to get training on the program, and this program is so popular that it's hard to get training when we need it. So yeah, just be patient. We will start, but kids also have been kind of out of the school routine for quite a while, and we want to just ease them back into it. So some things that you can do while you wait. There is parent homework, which is just a little survey. It's a Google form, just telling me about yourself, your child, your family, just information about what you're interested in and stuff like that, so that we can build ULA to meet your needs. And then also there is a YouTube video. I want to say it's around 11 minutes, but I'm not sure. Just letting you know about what your role as a learning coach is, because this is different than probably during a traditional school year. Like you are definitely kind of the teacher at home. And my responsibility is more taking care of the students' social emotional needs, connection, and grading their papers. And then I want to let you know that every single month, just as an extra fun thing, we are going to have a reading challenge. So if you want to click on this link, you can go ahead and watch our reading challenge for September. The kids are going to be trying to keep track of their activity minutes and their reading minutes to be an active action reader. And I made a YouTube video explaining all the details about that, so feel free to watch that so you have more information. I did start the calendar to start it on September 1st, just so we have a whole month, but you can start whenever you want. But yeah, getting the kids into the habit of reading, building their reading endurance, and also making sure they have books. So it might be a good time while you're waiting for classes to gear up to visit the local library, get a library card, all that stuff. I am on the board of Hackley Public Library, and we are still doing library cards. We're open for browsing. The children's section is open. So you guys do whatever you feel comfortable with to make sure that your child has reading materials. And then finally, you can explore the Oak Ridge Media Center, which will give just different links that your students will have access to, including like Raz Kids and all those other ones that they're used to using at school. So that is it. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to email me at school. It's kevans1@oakridgeschools.org. And you can, just touch base with me with any questions you have. I am so excited to meet you, to meet your child, and this is going to be an amazing year. See you guys later. Bye.